This image illustrates an animal cell and a plant cell. As you can see, the shapes of the two cells are very different. An animal cell is round, while the plant cell has a rectangular fixed shape. Also, the animal cell lacks a cell wall, while a rigid cell wall is present in the plant cell.
Cellular membranes are a mosaic of proteins and lipids dispersed within the bilayer. This phospholipid bilayer is amphipathic, with hydrophilic heads that interact with water and nonpolar hydrophobic tails. Cellular membranes separate the contents of the cell from its outside environment and regulates what enters and exits the cell. It protects the integrity of the interior of the cell by allowing only selected substances into the cell and keeping other substances out. It serves as a base of attachment for the cytoskeleton in some organisms and cell wall in others, supporting and helping maintain the cell shape. Primarily composed of proteins and lipids, the lipids help give the membrane flexibility, while the proteins monitor and maintain the cell's chemical climate and assist in the transfer of molecules across the membrane. Small nonpolar molecules such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen have high permeability, while large charged molecules have more difficulty passing through the membrane. Cellular membranes are semi-permeable, allowing some substances to pass more easily than others. Cholesterol stiffens the membrane by connecting phospholipids and reduces fluidity at moderate temperatures by reducing phospholipid movement. The function of the cellular membrane includes the passive and active transport of molecules such as osmosis and diffusion.
For our analogy of the cell membrane, the door of the Toby Hall computer room is a protein in the cell membrane. Since the proteins are selectively permeable, large molecules would need assistance in order to go through the cell membrane. Meanwhile, small molecules like water would easily be able to go through the cell membrane. In our analogy, Taylor and Alexa are water and sugar molecules the cell wants to let in. Since they have Toby ID cards, it would allow them to easily have access to get to the computer room. With this said, Sam and Vera are the waste products that the cell membrane doesn't want. Since they do not have Toby ID cards, they will not have access to the Toby computer room. The cell's plasma membrane is able to protect the cell from its surrounding environment by allowing active and passive transport to occur.